The woman accused in a deadly road rage case in Orlando is out of jail tonight. A judge granted Tina Allgeo a $100,000 bond. West 2's Spencer Tracy was outside of the Orange County jail tonight when she was released.
After spending time behind bars, Tina Allgeo walks out of the Orange County jail with her husband.
Right now, I just want to get my wife home, take her back to our house. Any other questions that you guys have, you're welcome to reach out to our attorney, okay?
A judge granted her a $100,000 bond after being charged with second-degree murder in a deadly road rage shooting in December. Her attorney says she denied the state motion for a pretrial detention and posted the bond on Friday evening. On Saturday morning, we tried to ask her a couple of questions, but she did not want to talk.
No, not right now, but thank you for your time.
New video was shown on Friday during her pretrial detention hearing. It captured the moment Allgeo was accused of shooting and killing Mihail Tsvetkov. Investigators say the incident started when Tsvetkov allegedly hit Allgeo's car. Investigators also say the video shows her crashing into his car in retaliation. Then officers say Tsvetkov went to her car and punched her.
The state's position on that is that Ms. Allgeo could have avoided all of this encounter if she would first not have instigated this road rage incident.
You cannot not retreat when somebody's on top of you in your own car. So this is not a waiver of stand your ground.
The state believes Allgeo was the aggressor during this case, while her attorney believes she was acting in self-defense. As she walks down the street, Allgeo has a long road ahead, with her trial expected to start in May. Covering Orange County, in Orlando, Spencer Tracy, West 2 News.